I would like for you all to see my living room. My beagles have taken over. Well, that's my body pillow. They have not yet taken over that. Although they've taken over that in the past. Hey, a little bit. As you can see, they have commandeered every blanket in the living room. Piper and Fiona have taken every blanket and messed them up on the couch. Piper's running away now. She doesn't want to look guilty. I'm talking to the video camera. Piper, come back here. Daddy said he doesn't want to be on video. Come back here, Piper. Piper, you're not in trouble, honey. Come here. Come here, Piper. You're not in trouble. Come on. Oh, honey. Honey, Mommy was just making a funny video. Oh, baby. Oh, honey, you're not in troubles. It was a ha-ha video. I don't mind if you lay on every blanket in this house. Yes, it was supposed to be a ha-ha video. Yes, I wasn't trying to shame you. Come on, let's go lay on the blankets. Let's go lay on them blankets. Come on, let's go. Let's go lay on the blankets. Come on. You can even lay on Mama's body pillow if you want to. Come on. There we go. Oh, yeah. My dogs know how to guilt trip me real good. What was it again, Janie? Everybody needs a puppy once in their lifetime. Oh no, I wouldn't have had it any other way. Piper has brought me joys that I would have never known otherwise. Right, Piper? Piper, I love you, baby girl. I love you, sweet baby girl. I love you, sweet baby girl. And then there is Miss Little Bit. Hi. We had us a little accident this morning, didn't we? So it's okay. It's okay. It happens. It happens. So Mama was slow on the uptake, getting the door open after breakfast. So, it's okay. It happens, right? Yep. It's Mama's fault. She knows we gotta go potty right after we eat breakfast, right? No. You are just the cutest little thing, aren't you? Well, all y'all are, right? Mama loves us all equally. We got all kinds of nicknames for you. We call you Little Bit. John calls you LB4. LB. And Mama's got a new nickname for you. We call you Bitty Bop and Bitty Bitty Bop. As long as you call me to rub my belly. As long as you call me to rub my belly, we're good, right? Right? We gotta go seek out the shy one. She's still the shy one, right, Phantom? Phantom says, I wasn't a part of any of it. I wasn't a part of any of it. Oh, my Phantom man. Hi, Phantom. I love you, my Phantom. Sometimes you act like my old man, and sometimes you act like my young puppy. Oh, love you, my phantom man. My handsome, handsome phantom man. Yes. Can you talk for me? Huh? Can you say a few words? Huh? Can you say a few words? Come on. Just a few words. Can you give me a few words? Come on. Come on. Be quiet this morning, huh? No words this morning. No words this morning. I love you, phantom man. No. It's raining out. Oh no, it's a dreary morning. No words. No words for a dreary morning. Oh, look at you. Look at those eyes. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, you want me to hold you? Yes. What you got there? Oh. I'm such a good boy, huh? Yeah. Him's always a good boy. Him always a good boy. Yeah. Look at them ears. Him got such soft ears. Oh. I think Daddy's listening to the Bee Gees in the kitchen. Daddy's washing dishes. Daddy's being very nice. Very good daddy today. There she is again. Hi. Hi. Oh. Take a look. Rub my belly. Hi. Rub my belly, please. Rub my belly, please. Rub my belly, please. Hello. Really, Mama? Really? Really, Mama? Okay. That's short, I promise. Say bye-byes. Say bye-byes. We're gonna just lay around the house on a dreary Sunday and just enjoy some downtime with the mamas. So bye-bye. We love you, everybody.